Hi, and welcome back to this how-to video. So, with an old car, you need a choke cable for your carburetor. And in my case, the choke cable outer could do with a freshen up. It's looking pretty tired. But the cable itself has had some damage to the cable. If I cut it, it would then be too short for the outer bit, and we just won't get it to reach. So in this episode I'm going to show you how to replace not only the cable but the outer as well and freshen it up. So let's get on with it. This is the choke cable, the original one. Now I know it looks a bit rusty, but this locks in quite nicely with the outer, so I can pull it, you can pull it out and it'll just stay there. The newer ones don't really do that, they just sort of fall back in. But the cable was all chewed up, so the plan is to replace the cable by cutting here, just up to about here, see where it's been pressed, try and repress it, the new cable, and job's a good one. So let's get this cut out. The cable I'm using to replace this is gear cable for a mountain bike of some sort. So I'm going to cut this end off. We'll slide that in, crimp it, and I might solder it depending on how it feels. And then this is the outer flex, and that conveniently, try and do this one-handed, go straight in. So we'll just pinch that back together like it never happened, and then we can go for a drive. Time to give it a quick test. Excellent. So I hope that's been useful to you. It's definitely helped me out. If you've got any questions, just put them in the comments, I'll get back to you. But all I can say is thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.